Welcome back, fellow travelers. Welcome to Paso. There's a trail here that goes on for about 2.25 kilometers, but it's I hear it's worth doing. It's really nice. Beautiful river. It's a great little bridge. Only passes one car and barely any pedestrians. At least there's not a lot of traffic. Wow, this is really cool. Check it out. Little warning. Wow, look at this view. This is amazing. Check it out. Hey, para ustedes los dominicanos que están a ver eso. Miren, ustedes se van a gustar aquí que hay mucho río, mucho río. Los dominicanos les gustan los ríos. But yeah, there's a lot of rivers here. So all my Dominican brothers and sisters out there, here you go. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. Yeah, this trail is endless. It's really long. Not sure I can make the whole thing. I definitely want to check out the one that goes in the opposite direction. Maybe I'll speed up the video a little bit. Look at this water. Beautiful. Nothing but the sounds of nature out here. This is a very long walk. So if you guys come here, bring some water, maybe some food. You can camp out a little bit and watch the view. But yeah, it's pretty long. Goes on for a while, but it's worth it. Now we're coming up to a little waterfall. Oh, it's a magnificent view. Look at this. Ah, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to paradise. Wow, that is amazing. I'm gonna take some pictures here, so let me just enjoy it a little bit. You guys can check it out. Alright, this is a better view. Check it out. It's amazing. Really nice. This is Portugal, my friends. Wow, that's amazing. Look at this view. Huh. The view from the Miradouro, really cool. Check it out. Anyway, continue on. This trail does lead for a long time. So if you're a nature lover, you need to come to Portugal. Lots of places to walk with beautiful scenery, just like this one. I think you're all gonna really, really like it. Look at this. There's a few cows loose over here in the field. Wow, check it out. This is amazing, huh? Zito, this is perfect for you. Look at this. The trail continues for a very long time, goes on for miles. So I'm gonna leave it here, trek the rest of the way back. It's a long walk. So till the next video, thank you for watching. See you later.